Is your front door weathered, scratched, dented? If it's letting in drafts, it could be letting heat and air conditioning out, costing you more in energy bills. If it's a hassle to close and lock the door, or you notice cracks along the door's edges or within its panels, it may be time for an exterior makeover. This can maximize curb appeal and leave a big impact with a fresh new look. The right choice will set you well on your way to the kind of curb appeal that also gives a boost to the value of your home while making it more secure.
At the final steps of this home renovation, putting the doorbell, on this door. Voila, he's just finished it. So we put on the storm door, and behind this is the new front door. It's really beautiful. We also did some painting. I just want to show you the front door. Changing the front door is one of the most prominent things you can do for home improvement. I'm going to step back and show you all the steps that were involved in this, and you can enjoy it.
The new homeowner wanted a cost-effective way to refresh the look of the door without a major remodel. After finding out how much the homeowner loved plants, we suggested adding side lights to bring natural light into the home. We would add a modern door which would replace the old drafty one, and then finally we'd paint it in a beautiful, vibrant color to complement her style. We demoed the front door, and it was not a surprise to find damaged wood surrounding the entry, as we had been working on other parts of the home, and this was consistent with other findings. Parts of the damaged wood literally crumbled in our hands, so the new framing was necessary for the structure and also for the security of the new door. Master carpentry skills flexed here to frame out the new entrance door and level the entranceway. Waterproofing and wiring completes the prep work.
So we prepped the entrance area. It had a lot of rotten wood in it. So now we are ready to install the door.
It looks heavy because it is very heavy.
Is it going?
Sometimes you don't see unforeseen circumstances. Why? They are unseen. What can add additional cost to a project is unforeseen circumstances. This is a little.
And the door is in its frame. If you're wondering what side lights are, they are the vertical pieces of glass that you see flanking the front door. The ones that you see here are full side lights, so they allow the maximum amount of light in, but you don't have to get it like this. They come in various styles.
Out goes the trim.
We're drilling a hole for the storm door, which goes in front of the front door. It's not necessary to have one of these. Well, it depends on where you live and what the weather is like. And it's also personal taste whether or not you have a storm door.
Last steps. No, we're just replacing the front door, the doorbell.
We hope you have enjoyed this video. I would love to hear about your home improvement projects, so feel free to leave a comment. We are Natoda Construction. We renovate and remodel homes. Visit us at natodaconstruction.com.